Hello, I'm Bobby, the Marketing Manager on Microsoft Clarity. In this video, you will learn all about heat maps, including why they're important and how to use them. Have you ever wondered how users really interact with your website or application? Have you tried to improve your website but weren't sure where to start? Enter heat maps from Microsoft Clarity, which provide a visual representation of every click, tap, or scroll. You can use this information to make data-driven decisions. For example, you may see key sections that receive fewer clicks than you expect, or you may discover many clicks on areas you'd want to avoid, like canceling or remove from cart. In either scenario, you can use this information to improve your product. Now, let's dive into the feature itself. First, let's talk about the different types of heat maps. Click maps show you where users are interacting with your website or app and highlight the most clicked elements. If you notice a crucial call to action button isn't getting enough clicks, you can try repositioning it for better visibility. The left panel contains a list of elements ranked by number of clicks, making it easy to identify your most interacted areas. Select any element here to view the number of clicks and quickly view recordings. You can adjust the opacity of the heat map if you want to read the text beneath. Scroll maps indicate how far users scroll on average. This data helps determine whether your users see the most important content and indicates where to put your essential calls to action. Simply hover over the map to see the percentage of users who scrolled that far. The average fold refers to the location visible on a website before the user starts scrolling. In the left panel, you can quickly see the percentage of users who scrolled to a certain part of that page. If users aren't scrolling past the first few paragraphs, you might want to move important information higher up on the page. Area maps show the number of clicks across different editable regions of your web page. Easily see the number of clicks within an area as well as the click-through rate, which represents the percentage of all clicks that occurred in that area. To edit an area, simply click Edit Areas, and then hover and select a new one. When you are done editing, click Exit. The left panel contains the list of areas in order of appearance on the page. Across all the heat maps, you can toggle between the different devices that Clarity supports: desktop, tablets, and mobile devices. You can also compare two heat maps side by side. This is perfect for A/B testing, and it allows you to visually assess which design changes drive more engagement. Another useful feature is switching screenshots. You can switch between different screenshots of the same heat map to see how user interactions vary across different versions of your page. This feature is particularly useful for analyzing dynamic content and ensuring consistent user experience. For instance, see how a seasonal promotion affects your behavior compared to your standard layout. Thank you for watching. See you next time.